Hey guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be focusing on the complementary colors. So, you may already know what they are as we used them last week, but let me refresh your memory. We are using 6 basic colors for our color wheel study. And each of these colors has a complement, which is the color across from it on the color wheel. So I'm going to hold up a color and see if you can remember what the complement of that color is. Ready? Start off with an easier one. Red plus what? If you remember, it equals Christmas. If you said green, you are correct. Next, we have blue. If you remember, this is a popular color in architecture right now. Orange. And that leaves our final colors. Purple and yellow. So today we're going to be doing an activity where we're going to be using your name and the complementary colors to make a really cool picture. For this project, you will need a white piece of paper and something to color with. So if you have markers of those colors, then use them. If you only have colored pencils, use that. Any type of coloring tool will be fine. You just need to make sure you have all 6 of your basic colors. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do today is, and what you will do as well, is you're going to write your name really large in the middle of your paper. You want to write it in 3D looking block letters, okay? So they need to have space in them because we're going to be coloring the inside of them in different colors. So you can use your name, your friend's name, your mom's name, any name you want. I'm going to use my husband's name. So if you don't know how to do block lettering well, you can start with doing the letter and then doing a slightly larger letter next to it will sometimes work with a letter like J. For something like an O, all you have to do is draw a smaller O inside of it. For something like an A, you're going to draw a little U at the bottom, connect the sides, and then draw a triangle in the middle. And for my N at the end, you can start by drawing a regular N, and then adding your sides. So, my husband's name is Joanne, so this is what we're going to use. Now, the next thing you're going to use is the side of your package. So, if I'm using a package of colored pencils here, I'm going to put a spot on my picture. It doesn't matter really where it is. I'm going to put mine in the center of my O. It could be in the very center of your paper. It could be kind of off to one side. You just want to make sure that it's kind of centered around your letter somehow. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to draw a line from that center towards the outside of my paper, going through all the letters. Now here's the slightly challenging part. I want to make sure I end up with 6 sections because I have 6 colors. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I divide this one in half, then I get 6. Okay? So, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color the inside of my letters in rainbow order, meaning I'm going to start here with red, then this section here that will be orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay, so I'm going to color that and show you what it looks like. So I have now finished coloring my name. I have my red section, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now I'm going to start coloring the backgrounds, and I'm going to color the background the complementary color of the letters. So if it helps you, first start by marking off what color should be what section. So my purple, if I look across, goes with my yellow. So I can put a little bit of purple here to help me remember that. Then with my green goes my red. How about orange? Goes with blue. Purple, yellow, green, red, and blue, orange. Okay guys, so I'm going to color these sections and show you what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, so I am finished. This took me probably about 15 to 20 minutes in total to color everything, okay? So you can see, now I perfectly can see what my complementary colors are. Also, the reason you'll see I put it in my O as the center is because now I have a perfect representation of all my complementary colors right there within that circle. So I hope you can do well with this, and I hope you have a lot of fun.